We are currently at George C. Marshall High School for the second annual Providence Day and Back to School celebration. It's a gathering of community that Supervisor Paulchek and School Board Member Carl Frisch have put together for us today for Providence.
You know, this is something that started, it's just our office and partnering with a lot of agencies, with the school board, with the schools to create this event, and we are delighted. I think we have a great location, we have great concept, and just to keep growing and partnering with more of our communities, our schools, our PTAs, to really make everyone know that this is a great free event for people of all ages.
For me, I oftentimes wake up every day grateful to live in Fairfax County, and when I come out to events like this and see the resources that we have and the passion of the people who are here to make sure our community continues to thrive, it is exciting and it is refreshing and it is reinforcing.
We definitely do plan on it getting larger and larger each year. I think one of the things we've talked about on the team is a huge part of community is building traditions, and so having this sort of central point each year for people to gather and celebrate the start of the school year and just what Providence represents is really important to us.